Good morning, World History Cardinals. It is Friday, February 5th, and I am here to talk to you about your last lesson for today. So follow along with me on the home page. Let's scroll down. Remember, I gave you Black Migration and Immigration yesterday and Explorers. So hopefully you had a chance to check out the link here or through the video that I left in the live lessons link. So let's continue scrolling down and let's click our blue enter here button. Let's go to unit 2. You're going to love this. You're going to love it. All right. As we scroll down, we see that our final lesson for this week is still talking about the fall of Rome, day 3. Okay. Your essential question is still, how do the greatest of empires fall? Make sure you understand that you know the reasons for the fall of Rome. That's what we will be doing today. Just checking our answers and see if the ones of you that have already done the document analysis sheets A, B, C, D, or it's ABCF, sorry. ABCF, those of you who have already done those, wait, I said it wrong. It's ACDF. There we go. Those of you who've already done those, you've already probably determined the reasons. Plus, if you read the background essay. But today, I'm just going to check even more. So click the link, and your warm-up says to go ahead and guess those. What are the 3 main reasons for the fall of Rome? Not the fall of America, but the fall of Rome. This will be determined based on what you did for yesterday's assignment, if you did those document analysis sheets. If you don't know, then that's where you go back to read the background essay and the document analysis sheets that are on the DBQ project. Then after that, we're going to briefly expose the buckets of writing, but we're not going to do an essay. No essay. The next is a page you won't be able to see because there's nothing there because we're not writing an essay, and you're going to be done. So today is your day to just do the warm-up and make sure you have finished documents A, C, D, F. Again, that is in Clever. You have to go to Rapid Identity, have to go to Clever. You have to search DBQ project up here, or just look for the icon. And then go to your class, whether it's first block or third block. Look for the article, Primary Reasons for Fall of Rome. Click View. And then there's the cover. And here are the documents. You're doing A, C, D, F. But look, they're telling you the reasons by the titles. Use your good mind. If you don't remember, you can go through the background essay and just read it because you're supposed to do hashtag summaries in your notes. Then just go directly to the documents. And you're just thinking, you're trying to give up an idea as to what caused the end or the fall of Rome. Here's the map, document D, talking about the Huns, and then document F, talking about natural disasters and plagues. Okay, so this is the end of the fall of Rome, if you're able to do that today. Third block, I hope you can hear me on this video. There's a possibility you guys are going to be doing all asynchronous learning today, so just check your Canvas emails. That's all. Y'all have a good one. It's the weekend. It's Friday. Be safe. And remember that on Monday, we start the new schedule change. If you don't remember what that looks like, go back to your dashboard, and they have all the information you need right here. 7:15 to 7:45, 7:45 to 9, 9:10 to 10:25, 10:35 to 11:50. Lunch is 11:50 through 12:20, and block 4 is 12:30 through 1:45. All right, bye-bye.